they all on this side too?
Yeah, both sides. You see the little babies? The little babies, the little brown ones, the little light brown ones.
We're heading to the Wind Cave National Park. The Wind Cave National Park is one of the oldest national parks in America. There's both the prairies and grasslands and forested hillsides, as well as a cave. The cave was currently closed while we were visiting, so they're doing refurbishments to the elevator to get out of the cave. So all cave tours were closed, but there's plenty of other walking tours and lots of wildlife to see. Beautiful countryside.
Rankin Ridge Trail. It's a 1 mile loop, and you could go see where the fire lookout was at. So this is the trail. So it's a fairly steep incline coming up here. So we're constantly going up to the top of the mountain, it looks like. Kind of got a haze back there. I don't know if it's dust because it is pretty windy out here. Most likely that's what it is. So as y'all see, the views are spectacular. We're not all the way up yet. Just nice. Nothing as far as your eyes can see, nothing at all. It'd be definitely easy coming down. Look at this. You can't. So this little bit, then it levels off, it looks like. Huh? You staying here, you bouncing up. Hello. All right. So here's the other pathway that comes up here. We took the bigger route coming up. Some people that just walked down said it has a bunch of poison ivy along the small trail coming up, and we have shorts on today. So we decided just to go to the bigger route. Here's what is the back view of it. A lot of trees in the way, but you can see the tops through there a little bit, but And the front view, you have nothing in your way. So basically, the guy, the fire marshal, fire ranger, or just ranger will sit up there in that tower and just look for any signs of fires, so he could call out for help, so they could tend to the fires before it spread throughout the valleys. Little prairie dog. They have one right there. Look, one on the street.
You're so cute. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Ah, they look like they're coming to us. They're like. He said, "What are we doing?"
See the river?
We're at the Wind Cave National Park. This is the visitor center, and we're gonna take one of the pet-friendly trails because we have one of our dogs with us, little Eddie. He's waiting over there. There he is. All right, this is what the trail kind of looks like. We're changing our minds about walking it because we have my parents are with us. And we don't know if we can make it up these rocks with the dog and everything else, so we're gonna head on over to Crazy Horse.